Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to make coconut sugared popcorn in the Whirly Pop. Right now, we all need as much fun as we can have with kids at home. And this is not only fun, but you end up with a treat. Now, just 3 ingredients. You start with coconut oil, okay? And it doesn't take long for that to melt. You go ahead and pour your popcorn in, and then here is your sugar. Okay, all right, now that we've mixed everything together, we're going to wait. And when you hear pops, then you start stirring. And the handle is stirring all of the kernels with the oil and the sugar, and it's keeping it from sticking to the bottom of the pan and burning. This is a quick popcorn popping technique because it takes, you can see how fast it goes, okay? And when the handle starts not turning, then you know it's ready. Okay guys, look, it was that quick, okay? So we are going to turn this out. There is a very unique taste to this popcorn. It's a hint of coconut. Now I always finish with a little sea salt. Okay, and y'all, this popcorn, as it sits, it hardens a little bit into a sugary coconut glaze. I've never tasted popcorn like this. So yummy, and it could not be easier. So hope you'll get a Whirly Pop, give this a try. Let me know if you do. Have a great day.